This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Leslie Hobkirk. Country living 5 minutes north of Bellingham for your convenience. You'll love what you find inside. Sitting on just under an acre, this home was solidly rebuilt in 2008, adding all the modern touches. Hearty slate sets the stage in the entry. The main level has large windows bringing in plenty of natural light and peaceful vistas from outdoors. There are hardwood oak floors in many rooms and new carpeting in other rooms. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances, maple cabinets and granite countertops with an eating bar. The dining room is adjacent to the kitchen for convenience. Also on the main level is an office and guest bedroom which has access to a full bath. Upstairs you will find the spacious primary bedroom with an adjacent bath and walk-in closet. The second guest bedroom is on this level with a view of Mount Baker. And a special smaller room that would make a perfect studio, office or nursery. The lower level is wide open and makes a great bonus room. It could also be converted into a separate living space with a wet bar, separate entrance and a bathroom installed. In addition to the 2-car garage is a fully insulated finished 8x12 room and garage. The property boasts 2 fully finished heated shops adding over 3,500 square feet of work/storage space. Shop 1 is over 2,400 square feet, heated, lit, insulated, has a toilet and has 220 amp service, totally a working opportunity from home. Shop 2 is 1,152 square feet and is used for car repair/storge. It is also insulated, lit, heated and hosts the whole house generator. Other amenities to this property include a dog run, mower shed, fruit trees, veggies and more. Loads of parking for you and your guests. Come on home. For more information, review the details below.